The AMD Zynq UltraScale MPSoC ZCU104 evaluation kit facilitates rapid development for embedded vision applications like surveillance, ADAS, machine vision, AR, drones, and medical imaging. Equipped with a Zynq UltraScale MPSoC featuring video codec and versatile peripherals, it supports high-speed DDR4 memory, FMC expansion, multi-gigabit serial transceivers, and FPGA fabric for customizable designs. The kit includes a 64-bit PS-DDR4 2GB component, integrated video codec unit, USB 3, DisplayPort, SATA, and LPC FPGA mezzanine card or FMC interface for I/O expansion. The AMD Zynq UltraScale MPSoC ZCU104 evaluation kit contents comprise of the ZCU104 evaluation board, USB camera, power supply, and necessary cables, which all makes for a remarkably powerful device. Discover how to optimize your new product designs at Mouser.com.